Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the analog version of the HGLRC KT20, a 2-inch micro quadcopter that features a pusher style configuration and designed to look like a go-kart. In this quick video, I'm going to go over its features and specs, give you my feedback after testing it out, and show you some flight footage. First of all, in terms of packaging, inside the box along with the quadcopter, you're getting the user manual of the HGLRC Zeus 10 all-in-one flight controller, a sheet of HGLRC stickers, and another one which will enable you to mark your quadcopter, two 15 cm long battery velcro straps, a total of 3 sets of Emax Avan 2-inch propellers, a hex screw and a nut for securing an action camera on the top of the quadcopter, spare M2 screws, and foam bumpers in different colors, along with stickers for attaching them to the sides of the quadcopter. In terms of features and specs, the KT20 is available in both analog and digital versions. I've got the analog version, which is bundled with the CADDX nano-sized FPV camera and the HGLRC Zeus Nano VTX, and the digital version is bundled with either the Runcam Phoenix HD Nano or the CADDX Polar Nano HD camera and the Vista digital transmission system. Both digital and analog versions are available with multiple ready receiver options, feature the HGLRC AEOLUS 1303.5 4500 kV motors, which can handle up to 4S batteries when pushing these 2-inch propellers, the HGLRC Zeus 10 all-in-one F4 flight controller, which features an integrated 10 amperes BLLES 4-in-1 ESC. On the back of the frame, you can find a user-controlled LED strip. The battery is mounted on the top plate, and it is using an XT30 battery connector with a pre-soldered capacitor. As for the frame, its wheelbase is 90mm and it features a true X pattern. The thickness of the top unibody carbon plate is 2mm, and the thickness of the bottom plate is 1.5mm. Without a battery, the quadcopter weighs 85.7 grams. Including a GNB 600 mAh 4S LHV battery, it weighs 141 grams, and including a bigger 900 mAh 4S LHV battery by Flywoo, the total weight is about 176 grams. Including an Insta360 go-to camera and its appropriate mount, the total weight is 115.6 grams, and including the go-to camera and either one of the batteries that I just showed you, the total weight will be way under 250 grams. Now, after this quick introduction, the next thing that I've done is to head outdoors and test the KT20, and overall, after testing it out, I can tell you that, in my opinion, it's going to be a good option in case you're looking for a small platform that is going to enable you to carry a lightweight action camera such as the Go 2, as it seemed to handle its weight without any problems, and also in case you're a beginner, as the frame provides a substantial amount of protection for the motors. On that note, I highly recommend to use the included foam bumpers, as they are not only going to make your build more colorful and unique, but also protect the frame and make sure that it is not going to break easily in case of a crash. In addition, as for flight time, with an onboard Insta360 go-to camera, you can expect between 2 to 3 minutes using a 600 mAh 4S LHV battery and up to 6 minutes using a 900 mAh 4S LHV battery. In case you're looking for performance, I recommend to use the lighter battery, and in case you just want to cruise around, I recommend to use the bigger one. As for camera performance, I think that for its size, the CADDX is a pretty good camera and it performed quite well, especially under low light conditions. However, for daytime flight, it is not an amazing camera, especially if compared with the CADDX Retail 2, and that's a limitation of this frame, as it can only accommodate nano-sized FPV cameras. So overall, in case you are looking for something unique, or as I mentioned before, something which is going to be suitable for beginner or for capturing HD footage both indoors and outdoors, the KT20 is something that you might want to consider. And by the way, one issue that I had with this quadcopter is that out of the box, the LED strip didn't work, and that's because it was simply put on reverse. So in case it doesn't work for you, simply remove the zip ties, reverse the direction of the LED strip, and hopefully it's going to be okay. Anyway, now I'm going to wrap up this video with some flight footage, and in its beginning you'll be able to hear how this quadcopter sounds out in the open. In my opinion, it's not very loud, but on the other hand, it is not very quiet. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.